That's gonna be special. There, I just see that's gonna be special. Right here. Right here.
I'm going to attempt to rebuild my computer.
Here. And come on.
I might have a distraction in the way, though.
For us.
And now there's a dog whimpering. So this is going to be the great teardown of 2017 and rebuilding into a new case.
Well, you see, where is it? Truly there.
So as you may know, I have purchased a new case for this build because of ongoing issues with NZXT and the fact that I really like the Phanteks case that I've bought a lot better, tempered glass sides and all that.
I still have this.
Yes, you've got that. Blake Erie kept in schedule. We're going to be adding this to the build, some custom sleeve cables.
And I still going to do this shot. Then I still going to do this shot.
It's not going to be like this the whole time, I promise.
And I still going to put this.
So I'm going to tear this guy down. I'm not going to film that because there's a whole lot of process to that and it's really just not exciting. But then I will start filming when I go to rebuild. I'm trying to keep as much on the motherboard as possible, so memory, cooler, all that stuff is going to stay attached.
There. And this is going to be there. This is going
I will have to take the graphics card off to remove that part because it's too big and the only way to get it out is to kind of twist it a little bit. But everything else should be able to stay on the... What?
I still going to move that there.
Now I'm going to move this into there. And then this is going to go where the camera's at.
And I still going to move that there.
So I'll be back as soon as I'm done actually disassembling this, and then we'll put the computer together again, and hopefully everything goes pretty smoothly. I'm thinking it will. Oh, now she's messing with the new case. So I'll be back when it's time to build. All right, so I think we're ready to get this started. I forgot to hit record. Dumb. Not smart. But pretty much done the prep, did the prep work I needed to do. I have the Noctua fans in instead. A word of advice. You're gonna have to take some screws off the bottom to remove the hard drive caddy that is in the back to be able to install all the fans if you have 120 millimeter fans. Now, first things first, we're gonna get the power supply set up and then get the motherboard installed and then get everything connected and see what happens. So let's go ahead and get this going.